Miss S., welcome back. It's good to see you. We'll be going over your psychological assessment report today to address concerns from yourself and your doctor regarding attentional functioning. Attention functioning is part of our executive functions, which aid in carrying out everyday tasks such as recalling a phone number to reach a friend or even calculating the amount of gas you have left until you refill your car. Attention functioning, simply put, relates to our capacity to process information. Your report contains history of your anxiety and depression, as we discussed in your interview, and touches on any substance use, developmental, familial, or psychosocial history. Relevant information from these areas for the report relate to your past struggles with mathematics and leaving school due to a lack of focus. These are important to us because of their relation to attentional functioning. The list of examinations, as you know, includes an intelligence assessment, reading test, and achievement test, as well as the MMPI to address mood and depression. These were administered at your last visit with the purpose of determining any weak areas in information processing and help us determine if you need some sort of intervention or helpful suggestion for improving your focus in your current studies and to help improve your daily life. The behavioral observations are what was noted at the time of your interview and testing. There is nothing exceptional for us to see here because you had already noted your elevated anxiety in certain situations. Given your experiences in school, it could be expected you would be anxious when asked to perform on an assessment, especially the math portions of these measurements. The summary of your findings is a compilation of the areas we just briefly went over. Your cognitive functioning, as mentioned here, is how well you could demonstrate your ability to reason and think through testing. Memory recall, attention, language levels, as we mentioned earlier, were compared with others and you were found to be in the average range. This is good. Obviously, we expected to see lower scores for math problems as the achievements section shows, but your reading comprehension also showed some weakness. This could be attributed to being distracted by your anxiety. What is good about this is it shows us you could benefit from having more time to complete exams like these. We wanted to know about your ability to process information, and we did. So this is good as well. Now we know having more time probably reduces your anxiety and lends to improved information processing abilities. You are articulate and you demonstrate normal visual perception to objects. Your memory recall is good and your reasoning and planning abilities appear to be only affected by your level of anxiousness as well. Here and here. Now let's move on to your mood, which has impacted your assessment results. Testing shows us you're currently experiencing anxious symptoms and you feel pessimistic about your current situation in life. You should consider counseling and make a commitment to your treatment for as long as your counselor suggests. It would be very helpful for a long-term reprieve from your anxiety and help alleviate your mood. The impressions and recommendations offer you evidence for assistance in future endeavors and in your education. You demonstrate some weakness in information processing, yes, but this is related to some anxiety, and with a confirmed disability, you're able to request accommodations. Each of these are for additional time on test, being able to use a calculator, and then being given extra breaks when needed. To finalize the report, a list of behavioral strategies is included for you to incorporate in your daily life. These coping mechanisms will help you change your environment and get through stressful situations. I think you will find these are easily adopted to your lifestyle and will help you be more comfortable. I thank you for coming in again and appreciate your time.